Well, I didn't think I was actually going to do a video like this so soon, but my loot vault arrived, because I don't do loot crates, so there's no way that's an actual loot crate. Yeah. It's just surprising that it showed up, because the last time I did this, it took over almost 2 months for them to ship my items, and this one took less than 4 weeks. What am I complaining about? Let's get into this. It's not my loot vault. I have a loot crate. The animation. I didn't order this. I canceled my loot crate 3 months ago or so. So, I got it. So, let's get into this. Whatever, I guess, right? Roll with it, huh? Let's see. The shirt size is a 4XL. I do 3XLs because the other people wear them. I wear 6. Rick and Morty. It's really funny is I used to hate this show. Then I finally started watching it. I like it. I don't find it all that funny, but I like it. So, which is strange because they have some humorous points in their show, but I don't really find it laugh out loud funny. So, you know, I don't know why I got this. This is so weird. Slurm. Can koozie. I don't even drink cans. Bob's Burgers. This is the cookbook to cook their burgers. I'm good. I don't even like the show. One of their children and a burger. Yeah. Animation. I didn't pay for this. I didn't order this. I don't know why I got it. But hey, I got a free loot crate, I guess. I prefer loot anime. So I'm a bit confused. There we go. Loot crate. How did I get this? Perplexing. Very, very perplexing. Yeah. Maybe it was a birthday present. Very late and belated, but maybe that's what it is. I don't know what to say. I'm confused.